Hi, welcome to today's Body Range of Motion. Today I'm going to talk about breakfast on the go. The type of breakfast on the go that I'm going to talk about today is cocoa. This is a bag of cocoa that I have here. People do eat cocoa, they drink coffee, sometimes they drink tea, sometimes cereal bars, fruits, all kinds of foods. But I'm going to show you today how sometimes when I'm in a hurry and I'm on the go, I mix cocoa and coffee. I put sugar in it, sometimes milk, sometimes sugar, and I take it with me. So you can cook on the stove with this type of Pyrex, or you can also use this, pour some water in it, put it on the stove, and add the different ingredients. But right now, I'm going to warm some water in the microwave to make the cocoa coffee mix. I didn't bring sugar today, but it'll still taste good without sugar because I'm going to add milk. So I have some water in this cup. Now I'm going to add some cocoa. Now I'm going to add some coffee. This is grounded coffee that I'm adding. Coffee and cocoa, equal amounts. And now I'm going to pour some cow milk. About 2 tablespoons of cow milk, depending on how rich I want the cocoa coffee mix. If I want, I can add other ingredients, but there's other ingredients I'm showing today. So warm it in the microwave. For about 1 minute. I'm going to stir it once it's warm a little bit and see how comfortable the temperature is. Let's check and see how well it's done. I'm going to stir it a little bit and warm it for just a couple more seconds. Breakfast is a very important meal of the day. Not everybody eats breakfast, and some eat breakfast on some days, and some alternate. Some never eat breakfast, but it's a very healthy thing to do, to eat breakfast. If you're in a hurry, you can make something really quickly, grab something, take it with you. It'll give you energy for whatever you need to do during the day. So it looks like it's done. Now, when I'm going, I'm not going to carry it in a cup like this. Once it's warmed, I can pour it in this kind of container. Use a towel to hold it as I pour it so I won't burn myself, and then carry it with the top part or put it in a foam handle. Some people carry this kind of container to just pour it straight in, but it's this is a pretty big container, depending on how much coffee you're going to drink that day. All the people pour the coffee in this kind of bottle, which then fits into this kind of flask. So whenever you get to wherever you're going, you can always pop out the bottle, remove the cover, and warm it in the microwave till you get to a temperature that you like. So I like that kind of arrangement. The kind of where you can just take a bottle with you, seal the bottle, put it in a plastic, and carry it with you. There's also less chance of spillage when it's tightly sealed that way. So that's it about breakfast on the go. Coffee is a stimulant. It gives you energy. It helps you accomplish the task that you need to do during that day. And it's also healthy. You can drink coffee cocoa mix, so you can add other things to it, or you can eat food in addition to doing that. And again, cocoa sometimes comes fortified, and if it doesn't come fortified, you can always add a mixture of fortified or non-fortified, or eat other kinds of foods to get the needed nutrients, vitamins, and minerals. So now we're going to start with the exercise. We're going to rotate the head towards the right. Now we're going to rotate the head towards the left side. Now bring the head forward. Bring it back. And back towards the center. Raise your arms up. Bring your arms down. Now, bring your arms to your sides. Bring your arms to your back. And bring it back. Bend your elbows. And relax. Make a fist. Rotate your fist, your hand outwards. Put your hands folded, but they're rotating outwards. Fold it into a fist. Now rotate your hands inwards. Hyperflex your fingers. And relax your fingers. Now stretch towards the right, like as you're sitting down. while sitting down. Now move towards the left side. Okay, now we're going to stand up. I need to move the microwave out of the way so you can see me very well. Now we're going to bend down and come back up. I'm going to move the camera back a little bit. Now I'm going to hold my left leg up. Then I'm going to hold my right leg up. Now I'm going to kick my left leg out. Now I'm going to kick my right leg out. Okay, that's it for today's exercise. Breakfast is an important meal in the day, and sometimes people have time to eat breakfast, sometimes they don't. Whenever you eat in breakfast, cocoa, coffee mixture, alone or with other kinds of breakfast foods, can make a very nutritious meal. I hope you've learned something today, and I hope you join me again next week. Thank you again, and goodbye.